literally like twice they're done.
Yeah, but they were frozen to begin with. Is the problem.
Wait till you start smashing them down. You gotta have it ready. And then when you start smashing them down.
There,
Whoa,
go!
Oh,
The siding on the house is gonna
Those
melt.
hot dogs are done, I'll tell you that much.
Eat that.
They're on the top row, too.
What's wrong with them?
they're black.
Oh, there's more fire.
They're so hot.
Yeah?
It burns.
Get the hot dogs off, you damn pussy!
It burns.
If he can't stand up to this fire, what hope do we have for the fireworks?
They're like so hot they split open.
Yeah, that'll happen with hot dogs.
Oh, I should have brought some.
Bust out another hot dog for Chris thing.
Should have brought some sailing stuff.
Well, we can microwave a hot dog.
Is everything else unwrapped?
Everything that's sitting there.
Whee!
Hey, we do have the Roman candles we can shoot off. We'll mark this is the last thing that needs undone. So,
There's woods.
I mean, okay, Corey, we get it.
Yeah.
We got it.
This is freaking me out. Okay, it's a cover. Or no.
Oh,
Oh, that ass. And now they're done.
Pick them up, choke them out.
Choke them out. You're choking them out.
Or
Feats of strength.
And lift the legs.
Here,
Take them off over your head.
okay. See if you can bench them.
Yep.
I pick you up.
Here comes the rain.
Choke slam.
You're not taking pictures of the dogs. The dogs are now a part of the picnic evening.
I'm getting video. Is the stove on?
What are you doing?
Why is it so hot where I'm standing?
The
Up in
oven.
there.
Is it on?
It's always on.
Really?
Touch it.
No.
Lift up the burner and touch it.
Why is it always on?
It's that type of oven. I don't know.
Why is
Why is the refrigerator always plugged in? It's just how it is.
Well, because it's designed to keep something a temperature.
Well, this is designed to keep. Uh-oh, Wyatt, he's got pretzels.
Hey.
Wyatt! Hey! See, Max barks at everything else in the world, but he doesn't bark when he wants food. It's weird.
Because he knows you yell at him.
He's not good at that at all.
It's not even close.
Max has got some talent, but Wyatt is just terrible at it.
Next one. Next.
Wyatt's thinking to himself, that wasn't even worth my effort.
There's no pretzel there.
Max is quite, look. That's not food.
Look, you sure he's gonna eat it?